Thank y'all for clicking today's upload. Today is Monday. It is Memorial Day. And we had a little family get together today. And then I went and built some decking. That's the other thing I done today was build a few pieces of decking. But we got the piece here that was messed up, all made. And then we got this piece here that was made. And then this one right here. This one right here, I have to put in my 2 holes for my battery charger, my terminal pieces. And then up here, we have to bolt in the oil cooler. We still have to cut the hole and bolt in the oil cooler. I think I might change that just a tad bit and do that a little bit different up there. I'm not 100% sure yet. Maybe change the look of it instead of poking the holes through. I'm not 100% sure, but I think I'm gonna change that a little bit. But after we get the decking all poppered back in, and we'll start putting the sides back on it. I do gotta put all my clips down the side and everything for that, but won't take too long. Once we get the body done though, the car will be done other than like grease and header. I do gotta get another header again. Just put this one on. I got it shoved back out. I took a jack handle up in it, shoved it back out as far as I could. That one will get me by in a pinch, but I do need to get another header put on it, and then we'll be ready for the weekend. So I'm not sure what this coming weekend looks like plan wise. I haven't figured that out yet. I'm not 100% sure where I'm going to go or what I'm going to do yet. I might go somewhere new this weekend. I don't know, somewhere I haven't been. I'm not 100% positive yet what I'm going to do, but I'm thinking about doing something different. So we'll find out. Depends on the weather. It's not looking so good again, so, but that could change. Today's Monday, so that could change. We'll figure it out later in the week when the weather starts changing, or if it does what it's going to do, and then we'll figure that out, kind of last minute deal. Good thing Chad gave this to me at the track when it started raining, because then I put it in my trailer. I can give it back to him so I don't have to hand rivet all these. So I'll give it back to him when I'm done. But I only put a few rivets on the bottom of mine. I don't put a whole lot of rivets in mine. I want it to break away. So that piece is in. I'll run 3 rivets back here. There's 4 underneath. It won't come out. Then there'll be 2 to 3 up here on this end, depending on how I place them. There'll be a couple up here. Once I get this piece here in, is when I'll put the rivets up here in this. So the next piece will be this piece right here. We'll get it all fitted in, which is fit. We just got riveted in. And then we'll cut the holes up here for the oil cooler. And then we'll cut the holes for the 2 charging posts that go right here. I do always try to use pre-existing holes in any of my pieces. I don't like drilling, like in my brace bar underneath, I don't like drilling a bunch of holes in it because that just makes it weaker. So it's got pre-existing holes in it, then I'll try to use them before I drill new ones. Not always does it happen that way, but I try to. So this one right here is now fully put in. We just got to do the 2 posts and our oil cooler, and that part will be done. And then we'll move on to this piece out here. So I marked on the old deck where I had my pieces. So drilling that out, where I had it marked underneath, I know where I can bolt everything, and then where I can put my holes, so I don't lose structure in my bolt holes. That's an eBay special right there. pain in the butt by yourself. And there we have it, the oil cooler's in it, the holes punched. I didn't do them evenly because I was going to cut this out and do it like a late model, and then I just said the heck with it and did it the original way. So my two back holes ain't even, but it's all mounted in there. It's all bolted in, it ain't going nowhere. I gotta find my punch or a hole saw or something and do these because I can't find either one of them. What's going on, guys? It's a whole nother day, and I couldn't find my step up bits the other night, so I went to Harbor Freight today and got some. So we're going to drill out for my battery terminal posts. We're going to drill them out real quick and get them put on now that I got what I need to do it with. I like to keep these as tight as I can in the metal too. Terminals are in. Now we're gonna move on to the outside piece right here. So we'll get it put in next. That's all in. Nice new deck. See how long it takes me to mess it up this time. But now I gotta go down through and I gotta put in all my clips, get all that set where I need them. We'll start putting the sides of it back on. We're getting there slowly. So that's all on. All my clips are on down through here and everything. We're ready to put the quarter panel on it, and then we'll move up to the door. Will be next. car is back together. We just got to do some maintenance on it, just a little bit of odd and end stuff. So all the body work's done. All the deck is back in it. Looks pretty good now. It's all fixed up, all ready to go. We ain't got too much to do, and we'll be racing this weekend. We'll finish it up in the next couple of days and then go somewhere this weekend. Not sure where we're going to go yet. Might go somewhere different, might go to the same track depending on the weather. Not 100% sure what I'm going to do. But anyways, guys, hope you all enjoy these videos. If you guys do, go down and hit that subscribe button. Let us know what you think in the comment section, and I'll catch you all in the next one.